I took a $90 collectible and made it myself for free. But could this actually work? I decided to see for myself. I took the photos from Riot website as a reference and used AI to turn the images into 3D model. And here's where the problem started. The model was not nearly good enough. The details were horrible. You see, AI tools have limited geometry, which fails on really advanced models like this one. That's why I decided to generate everything in parts. That worked much better, but created another issue. How to connect the pieces? I brought everything into Blender and scaled the model piece by piece. But when I finished, the body parts clearly didn't match each other very well. Those edges would totally ruin a whole project. Luckily, Blender has a great sculpting tool, which saved my efforts. I spent the next 2 hours fixing the issues and sculpting new details to hide the seams. There's also other issues that required fixing, but it's still less time consuming than sculpting the whole thing from scratch. And here's the look on the final 3D model. Not bad, but will it work with 3D printing? Before I could find out, I decided to make some renders. The statue was screaming for some luxury style shots, so I've put together some materials and lights. Fast forward another hour and I ended up with those. I like this aesthetic so much that I even made a very high resolution poster that I'll probably print in large scale. And if you want to have it too, it's all there for you on my Patreon. But collectibles are more than just an image. So let's get back to work. I prepared the file for 3D printing and realized there's another issue. It was way too big for my printer. Yeah. I went back to Blender to chop it back into pieces again. This time the pieces were a perfect match, so hopefully no one would notice. Finally, it was time to send it to my Bambu printer and keep the fingers crossed. Decide for yourself, but to me the printed parts looked awesome. I used special support settings which came off very easily, and then I quickly put the pieces together. And the details were amazing. Hands, scales, even facial features. Definitely one of the coolest models I ever printed. I decided to send this model for free to my most loyal followers on Patreon and Ko-fi. So if you ever supported me, go check your inbox. In the end, it cost me about $150 in filament to make this statue and less than $1 to use the AI. That's about 2% of original price. Now, are they identical? Of course not. But was it worth the effort? To me, absolutely. But to finish the project, I still need to give it a little bit more color. So now you tell me, should I test my painting skills or should I make another collectible, this time way more expensive? I'll let you guys decide in the comments.
And big news, I just started my first Kickstarter campaign where I'll be designing 40 printable terrain pieces for RPG and tabletop games. It will only work if you support the project, so I really hope to see you there.